How's it going, guys? Wanted to go ahead and show you a project that I've been working on for my friend Victor, where we lowered and extended the frame, and in this video I install some more goodies. Sadly, this will not show a good portion of the build that we've done with it. The lowered seat, the bottom portion of the metal bracket that covers the engine, the cool carbon fiber floor panel, but over there we have a whole bunch of parts and a high-speed Polini Variator kit we're going to install. First things first is to go ahead and remove the CVT cover itself. That was simple enough. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Variator, which you can see there was still some travel available, and I find out why. First thing I noticed is this very large, spacer there. I guess that's meant to just go ahead and keep the belt in the lowest possible location so the Ruckus can have the best acceleration. Now I lost my tripod for this portion of the video, so I'm doing everything one-handed. Here's the Polini high-speed Variator kit. Now let's see how easy it is to install with just one hand and an NCY outer plate. Installation is simple enough. Just slide it back in. But for me to make sure I get a proper installation, I'm going to need two hands, so I'm going to have to cut this portion of the video real fast. So now with the new Variator and belt installed, let's go ahead and get the cover on. I think you guys might like the cover. So now with the engine running, seems to be able to get a lot of fresh air, but needs a new clutch basket to match the appearance. One of the next few things to install is this rolling wrench CDI. And the Trailtech Vapor has gotten power. This portion I'm going to speed up. It's just removal of the stock handlebars. Here I'm just going to be test fitting the bars themselves, making sure it's actually nice and tight to the stem. So this part I'll also fast forward because it's just little stuff that you just have to do to make sure that the handlebars are situated to where you feel the most comfortable. Alright, she's on. Let's get the Trailtech on. Now this kit came with a really cool little adapter for the Trailtech to sit on. It's simply held by two little Allen screws. Just get them lined up and you're good to go. So with the rolling wrench CDI installed, routed the coil all the way to the CDI pack itself, and now it's ready for its first little run, but let's do some other stuff first. We'll be doing away with the stock front forks and in favor for NCY ones. This part wasn't so hard. Once I got the bike secured with a little car jack, I was able to go ahead and loosen up these 4 screws, and as you can see, the forks just basically fall right out. Now you can see the stock forks and compare them to the NCY ones. Visually, definitely a nice upgrade. Ride-wise, a better upgrade. Now, I'm not too sure about this part, but I heard it was made in DR. But the fitment is really nice. So just a little bit more updates about my current projects is of course the R33 Skyline. Gonna be renewing it. The bike that started this whole, journey is gonna get some more work done. Malaguti, of course, is gonna get more work done, and same with the Benelli. Until the next video, see you, Space Cowboy.